花莲看海必学5句英文第3篇。
The ocean stretches so far. The water is so clear today. Let's enjoy the sea view. The coastline is beautiful. I love the sound of the waves.
收藏这支影片，去海边跟读5遍，看海也能讲一口自然英文。